We're here in Malta.
We are.
Is it the first time for you here in Malta?
It's actually my third time in Malta.
But with the car?
This is the first time with the car, yeah.
How do you describe the Maltese community with the help they offer and the track?
The Maltese community are, I have to say it, they're amazing. The passion is like nowhere else. The passion for motorsport, in particular drag racing, I can't speak for the others, but drag racing in particular, the Maltese people surrounding drag racing are phenomenal. They're a different level to anything else I've ever seen. The passion is just unreal. They eat, sleep and breathe drag racing. And you're never short of help. If you ever need something in Malta, in a drag racing scenario, there's no doubt about it, you will get it. I have my experience, yeah, so I've, obviously, as well as the obvious, I had a really bad 3 days of racing. The first day I broke my gearbox. Maltese people came, took the gearbox out, took it away to a shop, spent their own time. This is late in the evening, we're getting into 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. Fixed the gearbox, sorry, took it back, even put it back in the car so we could race the next day. The next day, the turbo broke. A Maltese guy, the guy I was due to race that day, gave me a turbo. You can't get that in anywhere else. I'm not, okay, I say everybody's the same in drag racing. Malta is probably that bit better for that reason. The guy, my competitor, gave me a turbo to race him. You know, I was just blown away. I didn't know what to say to the guy, so I'm sure your name is Simon. I don't know, I've met that many people, but thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Going on to the following day. So we've got day 1, gearbox. Day 2, turbo. Day 3, we crashed the car. You couldn't make it up. I've had the worst weekends racing ever. But without the turbo and without the gearbox, I still managed to do that one pass. And that meant a lot because I travelled all this way, spent all this time, effort and money, and the Maltese people made it happen that I made that run. So that was what was important. The time's irrelevant. Coming here was a bit of, I'm not going to say it was a dream, but it was up there. It was one of my, you know, it was in my top 3 things to do. I want to go to Malta and I want to race with all the Maltese people because, like I say, because of their passion, their cars are special. I wanted to be here and I wanted to share it with them, and they made that happen.